Hey everyone! Tired of copying trend but still want to use a viral sounds? Today I'll show you how to remix trending audio for original content that grabs attention your way. And let's get into it. First, start by picking a popular sound, one that you've seen a lot on your For You page. Instead of copying what others are doing, flip the meaning. If it's used for sad edits, make it funny. If it's for a romantic sound, turn it into a friendship or pet story. Then use a text overlays or POV captions to create a new context. The sound stays the same, but your story is different. You can also splice multiple clips or angles to add storytelling layers or add a voiceover for contrast. Then still tag the sound and use a trend related hashtags so TikTok's algorithm knows where to send your video. And that's how to remix the trending audio into something fresh and uniquely yours. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more TikTok content tutorials. Thanks for watching.